Are you ready to go beyond the surface? To journey deep into your soul and unlock the hidden power of healing within? Today, we explore the depths of inner work and energy healing, a sacred path to true transformation. Inner work is the process of looking within, facing your shadows and healing emotional wounds. It means becoming aware of limiting beliefs, unconscious patterns, and emotional blocks that may have held you back. This is the foundation of real healing. Energy healing connection. Energy healing goes hand in hand with inner work. Our bodies are not just physical. We are energetic beings. Every thought, emotion, and belief carries a vibration. When energy is blocked, we feel stuck, drained, or disconnected. Healing clears those blocks, restoring flow and balance. How to practice inner work and energy healing. Journaling your emotions daily. Practicing meditation and breath work to clear energy. Using visualization or affirmations to rewire old patterns. Spending time in nature to recharge your energy field. Working with modalities like Reiki, sound healing, or chakra balancing. Transformation outcome. When you explore these depths, you don't just heal, you transform. You become lighter, freer, and aligned with your higher self. This is the power of inner work and energy healing. Inner work requires courage, because it asks you to turn inward and face the parts of yourself you may have ignored or suppressed. But within those shadows lies the key to your freedom. By bringing awareness to pain, guilt, or old stories, you allow light to enter the darkest corners of your soul. Energy healing then acts like a bridge, taking those realizations and transforming them into peace and alignment. For example, when your heart chakra feels heavy with unhealed grief, practices like sound baths, walk in nature, or even simple mindful breathing can release that energy and restore balance. Remember, healing is not about perfection. It's about integration. The parts of you that you once rejected become allies in your growth. Every layer you peel back brings you closer to your authentic self. The journey of inner work and energy. Healing is not something you finish. It's a lifelong practice of returning home to yourself again and again. Each time you rise stronger, softer, and more whole. And the deeper you go, the more you realize that healing isn't just about you. It ripples outward, uplifting everyone connected to your energy. When you heal, you become a light for others. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. Start small, but start today. If this video resonates with you, like, share, and subscribe for more soulful content. Let's walk this path of light together.